You've designed an amazing 3D printable product, but now comes the tricky part. How do you price it effectively? Pricing your 3D printed goods is a critical step in turning your passion into a profitable business. Get ready to learn the strategies top 3D printing entrepreneurs use to price their products for maximum success. The first step in pricing your 3D printed products is understanding your true costs. This includes the cost of the 3D printer, filament, electricity, maintenance, and your own time. Be sure to factor in both fixed and variable costs to get an accurate picture. Overlooking expenses is a common pitfall that can eat into your profits. Next, you'll need to research the competition. Look at what similar 3D printed products are selling for online and in local markets. This will give you a sense of the price range customers are willing to pay. But don't just undercut the competition. Focus on the unique value your product provides. The most successful 3D printing businesses price their products based on the value they deliver, not just their costs. Consider the materials used, the complexity of the design, and any special features that set your product apart. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for quality and innovation. Once you've factored in your costs and market research, it's time to set your prices. Aim for a profit margin that allows you to make a healthy return, but also remains competitive. A good rule of thumb is to shoot for a 50% profit margin, but adjust as needed based on your specific business model. Finally, be prepared to adjust your prices over time. Monitor customer feedback, sales data, and market trends. Flexible, dynamic pricing will help you maximize profits while keeping your products affordable. Pricing your 3D printed products is both an art and a science. By understanding your costs, researching the competition, and focusing on value, you'll be well on your way to setting prices that drive sales and profits. Ready to take your 3D printing business to the next level? Be sure to check out our lineup of 3D printers and accessories in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.